Robotization as a mechanism for resource accumulation to solve scientific challenges, finding solutions to the problem of aging. Robotization is a rapidly developing field that is already beginning to have a significant impact on the economy and production. The replacement of human workers with robots is occurring at many levels, opening new opportunities for addressing complex scientific challenges, such as the problem of aging. Current achievements in robotization. Today, we are witnessing the active implementation of automation across various sectors. A prominent example is the automation of Amazon warehouses, where robots take on routine tasks, allowing humans to focus on more complex aspects of work. While the development of androids represents an interesting direction, it is currently much more effective to concentrate on creating specialized robotic manipulators equipped with sensors that can perform specific tasks with high precision. It is also worth noting that computer numerical control, CNC, machines and 3D printers are examples of controlled robots that significantly expand manufacturing capabilities. These technologies allow for the creation of complex parts and components, which not only speeds up the process but also makes it more accessible. Transition to digital technologies and their advantages. The transition of the economy and production to CNC and 3D printing ensures the reparability of most products. Now, many parts can simply be printed or machined using just a digital 3D model file. This significantly reduces costs and minimizes expenses while optimizing resource consumption. Reducing consumption, or rather, achieving more rational and efficient resource use, will free up resources for more resource-intensive areas, such as science. Scientific research, especially in the fields of bioengineering, biogenetics, and life extension, requires substantial financial and material resources. Therefore, optimizing production processes becomes an important step toward addressing these challenges. Robotization and the problem of aging. Thus, progress in the field of robotization not only enhances manufacturing processes but also creates conditions for addressing one of the most pressing issues of our time: aging. The accumulation of resources through robotization allows for greater focus on research aimed at extending life and improving quality of life. The ability to direct freed-up resources towards scientific research opens new horizons for biological and medical studies. This could lead to the development of new methods for combating aging, improving health, and enhancing the quality of life for individuals. Conclusion. Robotization represents a powerful tool for accumulating the resources necessary to tackle complex scientific challenges, such as the problem of aging. The application of robotics and digital technologies in production not only optimizes processes, but also frees up resources for scientific research, which ultimately could lead to the creation of a long, happy, and comfortable life for all.